In this lesson, we'll review a sentence completion problem. It's part of the critical reading section. We're on page 475, question 4 out of 5. This is a difficult problem. It's a level 4. With its large circulation, Essence magazine has enjoyed blank, only recently challenged by new publications aggressively seeking female African American readers. Before we look at the choices, let's look for the keywords and try to predict the answer. So this magazine, Essence, I put in this sort of salmon color just to indicate it's italics. It's the name of a title. It has a large circulation, and it's enjoyed something that only recently has been challenged by new publications aggressively seeking African American readers. So let's try to predict it. We know that Essence has a large following. What would it enjoy that would accompany a large following? And other publications are trying to challenge that, to aggressively seek other readers, to take away from the circulation. So you need to predict it's some type of a high following, a high lofty position. We'll just say high rank. Now you're not going to see high rank, but it just will help you focus. And the words are tough here, but you should recognize a large circulation that's enjoyed a high status or rank that's only recently challenged by other new publications. So let's look at the answer choices and also build vocab. Aggregation. So aggregation comes from the word aggregate, and that's really just a collection of many parts or the totality. That is not a high rank. A is out. An inclination. Inclination, lots of words for that, and that is just some type of a tendency, some type of disposition or a bias. Lots of words for this. Proclivity, propensity, even I've seen the word a bent, sort of just some kind of inclination, a tendency to do a certain type of behavior, and that is not a high rank. B is out. Prognosis, you hear this a lot in medical terms, and a prognosis is really just a forecast. It's usually used for a disease or some type of illness, and the opposite of that would be a diagnosis, and that would be to identify that disease or illness, and that is certainly not a high rank. Two more choices. Retrenchment. See, it has the root retrench, which means to go backward, and it's really specifically meant for cutting expenses. Another word I've seen is curtailment, so reduction of cost or expenses, and that is not a high rank. And the answer is E, preeminence. And in preeminence, it means superiority. It also means supremacy or excellence. And in fact, you may have heard this term, His Eminence, and that's used a lot in nobility or in religious context for a very high-ranking clergy member. And the answer here is preeminence. All right, tough vocab, so keep building it. The answer here is E. See you next time. Thanks for watching.